What is up, my friend? Welcome back to the Work Hotline. Let's get into the question that you have submitted for the Work Hotline. Let's go. Let's take the first call. I think this is from Maya. Let's hear it.
Hey, Sho, I've been at my company for 5 years and it's fine. Good people, decent pay, nothing to complain about. But I don't know, I'm just bored. I feel like I've hit a ceiling and there's nothing new to learn. My friends keep telling me to just go find something new. But the job market looks rough right now and I don't even know what I look for. Is boredom a good reason to leave? Or am I just being ungrateful?
Ooh, that's a good one. Maya, thanks so much for the call. Boredom. I think there's a lot of different ways to dissect this, right? But let's hear out the facts first. 5 years at the company, your friends are saying you should leave and you should try something different, go after greener pastures. And your question is boredom a good enough reason to leave? I wish I had this like wand for you, Maya. I'm like, here you go. And then you had your clear answer. It doesn't exist. I would say, my friend, if boredom is your biggest problem, that's a great thing. That's actually a very, very good thing. Maybe you're lucky and you see other friends and all of them are also bored and no one's like hating their job right now. Because if you do have lots of different people all in different phases of their career, you'll know that there's a big range of emotion here. Some people freaking love their job and can't wake and like skip to work every day. Some people are maybe more in the middle. They're like, yeah, it's so-so, the pay's okay, and I get by. Maybe you're more there. And some people freaking hate it. And they're like, I am slowly rotting away here. Obviously, you're not here and you're not here. And you might not even have friends that are here or here. You're like right here, right? You're like getting by. I think, again, if that's their biggest problem, I would say you should count your blessings, my friend. I think that's a good thing. But you have to ask yourself, why are you bored? Is it the type of work you're doing? Is it the people that you're working with? Is it your industry? Is it something completely external? I don't know. And when you can figure out why you're bored, then you can actually assess how you could not be bored. So let me give you an example. Let's just say you work in paper. I don't know. You work at Dunder Mifflin, right? Paper is so dull to you that you don't want to be selling paper, that you want to be doing anything else but paper. You make an internal move or going to another competitor in paper, it's still going to be boring for you. So if industry is something that you really can't stand, then the best way for you to be unbored is to move to a new industry. But let's say industry is fine. Let's say it's just your specific role and you're not using the skills that you want to use. Then in that case, my friend, could you see if there's another opportunity internally? Because you've been there for 5 years. You have the stamp of approval. I'm sure you are a high performer. So you have more leverage here than somebody who's new. So I think, Maya, for you, you just got to think about the different options and understand why are you bored, and then think about what should your next steps be.